Hey loves, this is mystery basket number 2. I'll let you know the name of this concoction at the end of this video. So you all decided that I'll use black beans, purple sweet potatoes, butternut squash, and spinach. Now these are fairly easy ingredients, but you know your girl absolutely did the most. I went ahead and made a butternut squash queso, and I'll make sure I list all the ingredients right here, and you can absolutely see them as well. But I roasted those vegetables on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Next, I went ahead and moved over to working with my purple yams. Now I decided that I was going to make that into a tortilla, and we're going to get into that a little bit later, but I did put those in the microwave on the baked potato option. Next, I took some garlic and some onions, some black beans, and my fire roasted diced tomatoes, some sazon, Mexican oregano, and some cumin and smoked paprika. Next, I went ahead and add a little bit of liquid smoke and some black pepper and vegetable bouillon. I added in my spinach and then went ahead and mixed it, and I allowed that to sit to the side. I went back to my potatoes and I started to use the masa, which is the corn flour, but I was like, hey, let me go ahead and use some flour tortillas. We're going to make some thin tortillas. Baby, they did not work out right. I used a tortilla press and this was just not what it was supposed to be, right? The flour was too thick. It was a hot mess. It was too thick, so it kind of reminded me of Sopes. So I went ahead and deep fried them like I was making Sopes. So I went ahead and removed that from the oil and add a little bit of kosher salt to it. Next, I went ahead to work on my cheese. So I added all those ingredients here for my queso cheese, and y'all, this was very interesting. This was like one of the most vegan things that I've ever made. Like I said before, I had to add so much flavor to it, and you see the list of ingredients. I used all that and I did not measure, so when you try it out, hey, best of luck to you. Next, I went ahead and plated this up. So I started off with my Sopes, let's call them that, and then I used my spinach and black bean mixture. There is my vegan queso, and I also made some pico and some pickled onions and some avocado, and I put it all together. And let me tell you, girl was scared when she tried it, and it was absolutely delicious. You can't even see me with my fully plant-based recipe, so make sure y'all try this out and let me know what you think.